Why should we start from zero? I think we should start from zero. In fact, I'm going to make that argument here. Because that's something I would like parents and teachers to start doing, is start counting from zero. My argument is you can start counting before you've received the first item. Start counting when you know you're about to receive items. For instance, right now I have 0 apples. After my next grocery delivery, I will have, I think I ordered 6 apples. But right now I have 0. Right? Kind of the idea of having 0 of something, leaving a space for something you know you're going to have later, that's not necessarily highly intuitive. I think that's an easy way to introduce the idea of 0, both as a number and a placeholder to kids. One of the ones I like is having really little kids count as they go up the stairs. But even when parents do that, I figure they mostly start with the first step and they go 1, 2, 3. But you could start on the bottom. You could go 0, 1, 2, 3. And I mean, you might as well, right? Little kids like that need help getting up the stairs anyway. So if you're going to be holding their hand, helping them get up the stairs, you might as well help them with their math at the same time. It's not like you're doing anything more important. Yeah, I definitely have to make a practical tips for parents. It's a way to get the most out of your time, right? If you find ways to introduce and practice important concepts while you're doing other things and kind of build it into the lifestyle. And going upstairs with little kids is one of those. And I mean, really, just playing games with your kids is so important. Kids who play board games, card games, dice games, kids who play games, like traditional kids games, not necessarily video games. Although I do know somebody who played it's either Fortnite or Counter-Strike with their like 4-year-old, and it was 1 headshot, 2 headshot, 3 headshot. Uh, I'm not totally sure that's the route I would go, but yeah, just a board game with a spinner is great for practicing and tracking your kids' math. You can trade spinners out for dice. It's a nice one too, because they represent slightly different skills, right? I mean, spinners deal with the numerals, and dice deal with the more abstract collection. So you're dealing with the cardinality there. Right? And with a really young child, you're going to go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to count. And then with older children, you need to help them develop their sabotaging skills. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, or 6, once a kid starts to get into like the 4-year-old range, they should be able to jump 3 spaces. They should be able to spin a 3 and jump 3 spaces on the board without going 1, 2, 3. As they get older, they should be able to visualize larger and larger numbers.